Hello, I'm Ofefo. Welcome back home. Thank you so much. Thank you for believing in me. I'm so grateful. We have hit a milestone on this channel, 100 subscribers. Can you believe that? That's all down to you. Thank you. And please, if today is the very first time that you're coming on this channel, please don't be a stranger. Do subscribe and be part of the Amofe family. Thank you so much. Thank you. Today we are making Kenkey, the best Kenkey recipe ever. And guess what? It's my first time. I bet you didn't know that. Yes, it's my first time of making Kenkey. So if you're watching this, we are making it together because I've never made it before, but my son loves Kenkey. So I just decided, why not? We are in lockdown. We are not going anywhere. Why not put my motherhood into practice? So I'm going to show you how to make Kenkey today. First off, let's be professional here. I told you I'm not a professional chef, but I can do something. Look at that. So I got myself apron, and you know, rich auntie's vibe. I had my name written on it. I got my hat as well. Isn't that interesting? I don't know how I'm looking right now, but I'm guessing it's a good look. We will take it like that. I know I'm being a little bit extra, but why not? Let's cook, let's have fun. Come on, join me up and let me show you what I have. Alright, I'm Ofefo. Let's get right into making the best Kenkey ever. Yeah. Okay, all jokes aside. Alright, so you will need your corndough, your corn husk, salt, and a bit of water. That's it. That's all you need. And just anyone is wondering, this is the corndough I'll be using. Yeah. To start off, you will need to divide your corndough into 3 equal portions. And that is my measuring cup I did use. I just wanted to make sure that I got it right. Yeah. So 3 equal portions. We're going to use 1 of the corndough to make afata. Afata. That's what it's called. But for the purpose of this video, I can come and kill myself and be twisting my tongue. So I'll just say banku. We're going to make banku with 1 of the corndough. Yes. And this banku, you do not add cassava dough because Kenkey, we don't add cassava dough in Kenkey. Okay. So I'm going to take 1 and blend it because I want my Kenkey to be very soft and smooth. That's how I like my Kenkey. So I'm going to be blending it. You can use your hands if you want to. It's perfectly fine, please. So go ahead and do as you wish. So just let me blend it and then get back to you. So that is my banku. I like my banku as well as my Kenkey very, very soft. So I've gone ahead, put in enough water. Just in case the water is not enough, I will add a little bit more as I go along. And now I'm just going to add in a bit of my salt. You just have to put in a little bit, yeah, of the salt because you know we've got another 2 there that we're going to add. So the salt has to be a little bit more. So I'm just going to put in a little bit more of the salt and that's it. So I will just be stirring and bringing it to a boil. As you can see, our banku is coming along beautifully. Really nice. Please make sure there are no lumps because you don't want to eat Kenkey or banku and have lumps in it. Nah, we don't want that. Look at that. Really, really soft. That's exactly how I like my Kenkey. Now look at this banku. Very, very soft. That's exactly how we want it. Now what I'm going ahead to do is to put 1 of the corndough, 1 of the portions, put it in the banku. It's quite hot, so be careful whilst you're doing this. It's really hot. And go ahead and put the other corndough on top of it. That's it. That's exactly what we're going to do now. Now, just gonna mix everything together. Make sure you mix it well, very well. At this very moment, it's hot, so I won't try to put my hands in it because it's a little bit hot. But once I mix it together properly, you will see that it will cool down, so you can definitely put your hands through it. Yeah, now it's a bit warm, so I can go ahead and put my hands through it. And this, you really want to do it nicely. Get everything mixed up. See that? See that? We are not even done, but it's looking like Kenkey. There we go. Our corndough is all mixed. Look at that. That's very soft, very nice. And one thing I forgot to tell you is I put water in, soak the husks in water overnight. So now it's really soft. The husks is soft. That's how you want it. And because I will need water, I've gone ahead and put water in there. And what I've done here as well is to put a bit of the husks in the saucepan just to prevent it from burning. So now let's try and mold this. Oh, that is pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to take one big one. I'm making it a little bit smaller because it's for my son. Of course I will eat. I mean yeah, I guess that's it. Yeah, that's it. Then what I will go ahead is to just put another one to cover the top part. That's it. Just to cover the top part. And what I will do here is to fold this and fold it right here, and then squeeze it in like so, and squeeze in as well. Wow, I'm actually making Kenkey. Like, who said you can't, whatever you put your mind to it, you can't do it? Tell that person in your face. Tell that person in your face. Now we're just going to turn it around like so, push it in here, and then this is trying to get away. No, we are not letting you get away. Okay, all right. Okay, so there you go. Wow, I'm actually, to be honest with you, it's not perfect, but I am impressed with myself. Seriously, like, look at that. Who told you you can do what you want to do? Come on. That's it. See, I'll put it here. I'm sure our next one is going to be awesome. So let's get into the next one. Okay, let's do one more. I'm trying to get a small one, but I guess that's so big. Okay, so that's it. Cover everything. Now fold it, push it in, fold, push it in. So as you're pushing, you will see that the corndough is trying to escape. So you just have to cover it a little bit more, push it in like so, twist, 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 find a way to push it in, and then you're done. Wow, you need to see my facial expression here. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Look at that, this is amazing. Okay, one more try. And wow, this is amazing. This is quite big. It's a big one. Fold, fold, squeeze, squeeze, fold, fold, squeeze. Push it down. Make sure you're covering the part that's coming out. Twist, twist, twist. And find a way, just a hole here, push it in, and then that's it. Look at that. Oh my God. Okay, now I guess you guys have a, like a fair idea about this. I'm just gonna go ahead and mold it. That is it. Look at that, our last one. Guys, trust me on this. Whatever you want to do in this world, as long as you have not tried, don't let anyone discourage you. I never dreamt of making kenkey, but look, That's it. So fold it, push it in like so. Have you seen? Now I'm a professional. And then you squeeze it down, twist, 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 find a little gap there, and then push it there and cover it. If this is coming out a little bit, just cover it a bit more, and then you can take some from here and push it there. Now look at that. I'm all done. Kenkey is done. My son can be enjoying mommy homemade kenkey. Please give it a try. Now I'm going to cover it with the husks as well, just a few, because we want to keep the moisture in there. So just cover it and put water, obviously, because we're cooking with water. I'm going to put water on top of it and then cook for 4 hours, depending on the level of your cooker though. So I'm cooking it for 4 hours. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. So that's it. Now that is done. Then the next part is the eating bit. I love that. I'll see you when it's done. Okay, I'm all faithful. So this is an hour into cooking. Look at that. Whoosh. Ow. Kenkey is soft. Really soft. Just gonna leave it to cook a bit more. And then we see the end result. I'm happy. I love this. Ooh. Wow. Look at that. Oh goodness, our kenkey is done. Look at this. This is amazing. What? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Kenkey perfectly. Sweet kenkey. Isn't this amazing? Beautiful, amazing. It's so hot. Oh goodness. Isn't she wonderful? Excuse my voice, but I am so happy. Look at this. Thank you so much, I'm faithful. Thank you for coming on this journey with me. Thank you. Please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this channel and be part of the family. Like, comment and share, and tell me what you eat with your kenkey. Thank you. Bye bye.